Hello everyone, look at this. There's a lot of white flowers. Today I take this video because I was attracted by this picture. So I got the fabric from the factory. Now let's try if we can work it out. Now let's go. Okay, first of all, I will divide this fabric into 4 pieces. Look, there's a finishing line inside, so after you cut it off, apply some hot glue on here will be better, so that the finishing line will not come out. Then take one piece of the fabric and I will cut it into 3 pieces. Let's make the bouquet. Take one piece of the fabric and grab the fabric like this. The other pieces, put them together. Also, the other piece, put them together. Look, we got the fabric bouquet like this. Okay, the bouquet like this. Remember, we have 3 small pieces of the fabric. Just grab it and prepare the bouquet to make it round like this. Okay. Okay, then take a plastic thing to tie on the bouquet. Okay. We can jet the flower to make the shape, adjust the shape. But since I found the bouquet is okay, like this. Then the holder, actually I have no idea. So I will use a string. You can use ribbon, but I like to use the string to cut costs. To wrap and tie the holder tightly. And then the electric thing, you can use white color, that will be better. But anyway, since I just make the sample, apply some hot glue and then wrap with some lace band. Okay, finally, stick with the hot glue will be okay. Because I think I will reuse this lace band, so I will not apply a lot of hot glue on it. Okay. And then decorate with the sparkle brooch will be okay. Okay, let's check the bouquet. If the sheen of the fabric not good enough, we can apply some hot glue. To make the sheen. That will be better. Just adjust our bouquet. Okay, now let's check the effect. Look, this is the effect. Do you like it? On my opinion, it's not much easy to make because it's not easy to hold the fabric to make the ruffle. But I'm sure everyone could make it because after several tries. How about if we put on some pearl bead? But anyway, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.